Welcome to my channel. Today we are making Egbo and Ewa, corn meal and beans, a simple and filling meal loved by many. Let's get into it. I already soaked my peeled corn for 24 hours. This makes it cook faster, about 3 hours instead of much longer. After rinsing it thoroughly, I poured it into boiling water, added onions, give it a good stir, and cover it to cook. In another pot of boiling water, I added the already washed beans, some onions, stir and cover it and allow it to cook. Now for our sauce, I blended the tomato, pepper and onions in a mortar. If you don't have a mortar, you can use a blender. The most important thing is that it should not be smooth. This is just the right consistency. And if you are using a blender, just use the pause button like 3 or 4 times, then you are done. Next, I brought out the fresh fish, which I had already cleaned. I rubbed some salt into it. Then heated vegetable oil in a pan, allow it to get hot and fry the fish on both sides until golden. After frying, I took it out. In the same oil, I added a little palm oil for extra flavor, then onions and some ginger garlic paste. I give it a quick stir, then add the blended pepper mix. I also added the pomo with the pepper mix and let the sauce cook till the water dries up. This takes about 10 minutes. When the sauce has thickened nicely, I added the seasoning cubes and salt. This recipe is actually simple. You really just need seasoning cubes and salt, no complicated spices. Then go in with the fried fish gently. Now for the boiled eggs, here is the tip. Use a fork to poke the tiny holes in the eggs before adding them to the sauce. This helps them to soak up the stew and taste even better. After stirring everything together, I cover the pot and let it fry gently. While the sauce is frying, I check on the cornmeal. It's cooking nicely. I stir, added a little salt and cover it back. The beans is almost done too. I added salt, stir it, add a little water to stop it from drying out, and cover it again, allow it to cook further. Our sauce is frying beautifully and ready, so we have to set it aside now. The cornmeal, our Egbo, is soft and done after about 3 hours. It might look thick on camera, like it might look hard on camera, but it's actually very soft and tender. If you like yours thicker, you can cook it longer. It's about your preference. The beans is perfectly cooked as well. You can see how juicy it is. Now it's time to plate our Egbo and Ewa. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment and let me know where you're watching from. See you next time. Bye.